Hello, welcome to my channel. In this episode, I am going to teach you how to create a Netflix account. But before that, hit the like button, subscribe, and join the conversation in the comment section. First, log on to Google and search for Netflix, and you will be given various alternatives by which you can access the platform. This is the app, and I'll go with the first one. So you click on it. That is www.netflix.com. This is where it will lead you to. Explore the interface, have a look around. You can get the movies on your app or on your TV. So let's move up and sign up now. So you first input your email. So watch as I input my email. Then you hit on get started. So this is where you'll be led to. Finish setting up your account. So from here you click next. And you will be asked to create a password. So I input my password. You can input a safe password for the account, and you can decide on whether Netflix has to send you messages or not. It depends on what you take here. You can take or not, depends on your decision. Then you click next. So from here you would have to choose your plan. Mind you, there's no free plan. So you choose from mobile, basic, standard, and premium. So I'm going to choose mobile. Each one you choose has its benefits allocated to it. So I'll go with the mobile and click next. So yes, when you click next, you'll be led to where you have to make payment or how you want to pay. And that is a credit or debit card option available for you. So here you input your credit card details. Credit card that you own legally. You input the details and you check the box. Yes, you would have to check the box. You have to agree. Then you click on start membership. Once you click start membership, your account is created. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.